Pull up in the park.
The follow. Get back there.
What's nice is this just means now I get to kill everybody.
How is he? He's a warrior! He suffered worse! You just get us out of here in one piece! Enzo, that's more of them on our town!
I'm on it! Milano sent everyone at us! Fucker could pay for what he did to my grandfather!
Piccolo!
Ramazzani! Oh, he'll pay alright!
This goes back. Look after them and stuff.
It's fun to take out the drivers. Let's just see what the car is gonna do. Nice.
You're blocking the road!
Drive then!
Want to get there comfortable or alive? Damn it! What happened to the road?
Hold it together. We're almost out.
Come on, baby. Trail of Destruction. I don't know what the hell that means. I'm gonna have to look that one up, but my car's taking some pretty hefty damage too, though. Nice, dude. Okay, that was sick. That was pretty sick.